is happening? They're here. Oh God. What the fuck? You were right, Mr. Author Man. You were right. Oh my God, they are here.
The birds are...
Wow.
Where's my pink...
Fly! Fly away!
Where's my pink onesie?
I burnt it!
The birds are hurting us.
Oh God, they're just circling us. I don't have your food or your babies.
I think your electronic cigarette's dead!
Ah!
It's gone! Suck the hell out of it, Ashley! I couldn't...
Where's my
God,
pink...
it's dead! It's gone!
Hey, we've killed it!
Where's my pink onesie?
It's right there. See it? No, 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 no. No, 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 you can't go get it. We can't, we don't want that.
You're running this way.
Run, Forrest, run!
I found a shovel!
The fuck?
I found a shovel!
Run after Forrest, Jenny!
I found a shovel!
Fucking love these guys.
What's that? What's that? Look ahead! Look ahead!
Toss head!
I'm gonna go pee again, no video.
Please! Ah! It's wet!
I found a shovel and a bucket!
I want the bucket!
I found a bucket with a hole!
There's a hole in the bucket, dear Liza, dear Liza. There's a hole in the bucket, dear Liza. A hole.
Yay!
So mend it, dear Henry. There's a hole! Find that bucket! The walrus will find you again!
My shovel doesn't have a bucket anymore!
You're
Well,
chill
dig me
with
a
a
hole,
new
bitch.
fag.
Please.
No! Fuck you, shovel!
I'm gonna take a talk with that shovel's mother.
Oh!
Water is warm!
Well, it's because Jake just peed in it. Right?
Perfect!
But it's true. No! No!
At least I didn't pee in my onesie.
That's good. You've gotten further than most retards do in life.
Mission accomplished.
You're the smartest of the bunch. Hey! The fuck? Oh my God, guys, my pants just got soaked.
Oh my God, I thought I was going down in the sand!
Say it to my face.
I feel like I have Jake's pee on my leg. I don't feel comfortable with
Hey,
this.
but you had my pee on my leg.
On your leg? I wouldn't know.
I would know it, but you would know it too.
Don't go hurt me. I don't want to get sandy.
What do you keep water on me? What are you gonna do about that? Okay, she sits aside.
Okay, it's acceptable. Guys, our feet are gonna be wicked sandy. How the hell are we gonna deal with this?
Water?
But we have to walk back through the sand. Look at these.
There's fountains up there to rinse your feet.
Are there?
Yes, I'll show you.
Are there fountains up there to dry your pants?
No,
Can there be?
no, never.
Why?
It's okay, Ashley.
Are we prancing? Oh, my hipster hat!
You're such a piece of shit.
Go to hell, new fag.
You're the newest fan.
Shut the fuck up, hipster.
Hipster.
My pants are falling down again. I can adjust my pants.
I love you.
I love you too. I'm just gonna walk and be cool.
This is the best episode of Baywatch.
I'm gonna slow this part down.
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
She's going the distance. She's going for speed. She's all alone.
If I had my boxers underneath my pants, I would just take these off. But I don't. I'm pretty sure it counts as public nudity. I'm pretty sure that's a felony.
She gets water on me.
It's okay, I got your pee all over my leg because the ocean splashed up at me.
You can only have seen.
Yeah. Well, I'd hope you weren't peeing on me.
No, it's straight at
It moves, it circulates. It spreads.
me. I like this one. What you doing?
Oh no, we kind of both are. That's cute. Shadow nails. So how sure goes that? Yeah. Let's go wash off our feet. Do I have to go up that way?
No, you can go this way.
Okay. My hands are really falling down.
Why are you going that way?
It's stairs!
Tattoo me.
It's pretty hot.